Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make Indian-style quinoa rice. This delicious and healthy dish combines the goodness of quinoa with the familiar comfort of rice, infused with vibrant Indian flavors. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, including 1 cup of quinoa, 1 cup of rice, and a selection of fresh vegetables. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Now let's prepare our main ingredients. First, rinse both the quinoa and rice together under cold running water until the water runs clear. This removes any impurities and excess starch. Next, soak the rinsed grains in water for about 15 minutes. This helps them cook evenly and quickly. While they soak, chop your chosen vegetables, like 1/2 cup of peas and 1/2 cup of carrots, into small, consistent pieces for even cooking. It's time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pot and add whole spices like 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 bay leaves. Once fragrant, add 1 medium-sized chopped onion and 1 tablespoon of ginger-garlic paste, cooking until golden. Then, stir in your chopped vegetables, the soaked quinoa and rice, and 4 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 20 minutes. Almost there. Once the quinoa rice is cooked, turn off the heat and let it rest covered for about 10 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute, making the grains perfectly fluffy. After resting, gently fluff the rice with a fork to separate the grains. Finally, garnish your delicious Indian-style quinoa rice with a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for a bright, zesty finish. Enjoy your flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.